That's the tube. So you can make sure that the lip retractor is there. So at the front of the mouth, you don't have to worry about all this cone of penetration so much. Right, Sarah. If the machine rolls, it's going to be a little buzz, a little vibration. It's coming now. Okay, 3/4 of the way in. So there may be a slight increase in heart rate. If that does happen, it's completely normal. And if it does happen, it won't last very long.
I'm curious to test how many teeth were numbing now.
There will be. I'm not going to be nasty to and put a whole cartridge in. What I think we'll do is we'll put like half a cartridge, and with half a cartridge, you'll be amazed how many teeth are numb.
What colour?
And now palate a little numb up as well.
A little one.
Palatal side of the gingiva.
Oh yeah, that'll be thoroughly anaesthetised.
360.
So you heard that little buzz? That was the 15. It's all very controlled, isn't it? It's just very, and hopefully Sarah's feeling sort of loved and protected. I always joke when I'm talking about all the things that I can possibly get, and I always say that I use my tummy as well if I get a chance. Okay, because of the initial extra mucosal thing I did, because that's half a cartridge. So I'm going to stop there, and now we notice it's just a simple withdrawal along the path of insertion. Right, now what we're going to do, thank you, what we're going to do is we're going to now question Sarah on, let's sit her up and we'll question her on what that feels. Okay, Sarah, tell us what you can feel at the moment.
Having experienced being numb in the past, it does feel numb, but it's weird because it's just my teeth are numb.
Yes.
And no, except I can the little bit where the initial mucosal injection went in. But yeah, if I tap my teeth, they feel different.
Okay, tap around the mouth and let Adrian know how many teeth are numb.
I think 6 is a little bit. So my 7 and 6 are a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. My 5, yeah. Oh yeah.
It's extensive.
Yeah. And my upper left 3. That's where I feel different too.
And that is half a cartridge. I wouldn't necessarily do operative procedure on those peripheral teeth, but around where I did the 6, that amalgam 6, I would, with that half a cartridge, I would now take a diamond and take that amalgam out.
What you said then.
It really is a beautiful system to use, and it's
I don't know what I was expecting when you did the intraosseous bit, but you feel a buzz, and it doesn't even vibrate that much. You feel it, but there's no pain at all. And I've had a lot of, and actually the nice thing is, because one of the things, especially with kids, that they hate is that burning sensation of the mucosa going numb when you have an infiltration, and you get none of that. A tiny little, discomfort's the wrong word, a tiny little bit of different feeling when you get that mucosal one initially, and it's more pressure than anything.
It is. It's like when the solution goes into the papilla and it expands the papilla and presses on the teeth, and you do get that feeling like there is something stuck between the teeth. That's the weird feeling.
Yeah.
But I'm delighted that you felt good there. The buzz, I think you said you felt just like a light buzz.
Yeah.
But I have my finger fairly firmly on that tooth, so that is a mitigating control. If you put a finger on one of the teeth either side, you will dampen down any vibrations.
But it's not uncomfortable. You just feel it. It's just, and you know it's coming. It's not painful at all. It's just
good.
There.